Hello folks, today Carolyn is going to be making and canning ketchup. And let me tell you something, it is a good recipe. We've tried it and Lord, we've ate a couple jars of it. But she got this recipe from Sarah over at Living Traditions. They have a great channel, folks. If you would, go over and check them out. Tell them we sent you over. And I'd like to thank Sarah for having that recipe. It is good. Let's get started.
You'll need 1.5 cups of cider vinegar, 1.5 cups of white vinegar, 2 cups of sugar, 3 cups of chopped onion, 1/4 teaspoon of celery seed, 2 1/3 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 cup of canning salt, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. After the tomatoes is cooked down a little bit, I'm draining some of the juice off. That way it don't have to cook down as long. Here I'm adding the onions so they can cook down with the tomatoes. Now she ran hers through her blender. I'm going to be running ours through the Victoria food mill. And here is the sauce after the skins and seeds were removed. Now I'm adding the sugar, the spices, the salt, and the vinegar. Now I'm going to let this cook down till it's thick enough for ketchup. I forgot to add tomato paste to the ingredients, but it'll help thicken up your ketchup. Fill your jars to 1/2 inch of head space. Debubble. Wipe the rim of your jar. Put on a lid and a ring to fingertip tight, and then put them in your canner. Once your water comes to a boil, process for 15 minutes if you're below 1,000 feet, above 1,000, 20 minutes. And there you have it. Ketchup to put on the shelves. Want to thank y'all for watching. Have a blessed day and come back and see us.